Welcome children. Take out your geography book. Chapter 9 Industries. Today's topic is cotton textile industry. Cotton textile is one of the oldest industry of the world. Now cotton textile industry, what is it? It is the oldest industries of the world. It is an agro-based industry and its location is very much concentrated in the warm and humid cotton growing regions of the world. Now what is it? It is a agro-based industry. Agro-based means agricultural based industry, and where it is located? It is located in the concentration of the warm and humid cotton growing regions of the world. Cotton industry needs large quantities of bully raw cottons power to run the looms and machinery and labor. Now cotton industry, what it needs? It needs large quantity of bulky raw material, then power to run the looms and even machinery and labor. The major textile producer of the world are USA, China, India, UK and Japan. Now major cotton textile producer of the world, that is USA, China, India, UK and Japan. The important cotton textile producers are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and now which are the important cotton textile producers? That is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Punjab. Sugar industry. Sugar industries is also an agro-based industry like cotton textile. Now sugar industry, what is it? It is an agro-based industry just like cotton textile industry. The sugar mills that crush the canes to extract juice and finally prepare sugar are located close to the cane growing area. Now sugar mills which crush these canes to extract the juice and finally these sugars are located to the close to the sugar industry. They are located very close to where the sugarcane grows. The juice starts drying up if it is not extracted within a. Now, juice from the sugarcane, it starts drying up if it is not taken out within a day. Therefore, the major sugarcane industry growing regions in the world are the centers of sugar. And for this reason, major sugarcane growing regions of the world, they are the centers of sugar industry. Sugar beet grown in temperate countries is also used for processing sugar. Now sugar beet which grows in the temperate countries is also used for processing sugar. The largest producer of sugar are Brazil, India, Thailand, Pakistan and Australia. Now largest producers of sugar, that is Brazil, India, Thailand, Pakistan and Australia. In India, sugar mills are located mainly in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. India sugar mills, where they are located? They are located in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Fishing industry. Fishing includes all types of aquatic animals caught in the seas and inland water bodies of the. Now fishing. What it includes? It includes all types of aquatic animals which are caught in the sea or the inland bodies of the world. It is a means of livelihood for men since time immemorial. Now, this fishing industry, it is a means of livelihood since the ancient time. Fish is a major source of food in island countries such as Japan, countries of Caribbean and Iceland. Now fish, it is the main source of food in the island countries, that is Japan, countries of Caribbean and Iceland. Fishing is also an important economic activity in countries with long coastlines like Cuba and Chile and Peru. Now fishing, it is even important economic activities in the countries which lie in the coastline, that is Chile and Peru. Besides fish, tuna, cod, halibut, sardines, mackerel and salmon, other sea harvests include whales, crustaceans, mollusks and pearls. Now besides this fish, that is tuna, cod, halibut, sardines, mackerel and salmon, other sea harvests, it includes whales, crustaceans, mollusks and pearls. Fish are also caught for their oil and medicinal value. Now fish, where they are caught? They even caught for their oil and even have medicinal value. Fish are abounding in areas that have an abundance of fish food called planktons and also the presence of cold and warm ocean current. Now fish, they are found in plenty in the areas which have huge amount of fish food which is called the planktons, and they are also present in the cold and warm ocean currents. Fishing is a robber industry. Fishing is one, it is also a robber industry like mining. Overfishing may lead to scarcity of fish. Overfishing, what it may lead? It may lead to scarcity. In future, because nature cannot replenish faster. Now, in fish, if overfishing is done, it can lead to scarcity of fish in the future because nature cannot replenish faster. In order to sustain the constant supply of this proteinous diet, protection and conservation is a must. Now, in order to sustain this continuous supply of proteinous diet, that protection and even conservation, it is very necessary. The major fish producers in the world include Chile, Peru, Japan, USA, Chile, Indonesia, Russia, India, Thailand, Norway and Iceland. Now, major fish producers in the world, what does it include? That is China, Peru, Japan, USA, Chile, Indonesia, Russia, India, Thailand, Norway and Iceland. And now, take out your diary, write chapter 5 industries, topic cotton textile industries, explain, homework, revise it. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.